Good evening, folks, and welcome to the channel My Trading Life. And on 21st of September 2020, and let's have a look of how Nifty has performed today and how it could perform in tomorrow's session. We had an interesting session today with the Nifty 50 opening below the resistance 11,500 in the morning session. Okay, so in the last video, I had said that the 11,500 level is going to be a very pretty much important level because this particular trend line coming over here and the Fibonacci retracement of 0.15 coming over here, okay, of this particular run for which was providing the support for the Nifty 50. However, as soon as however, in the morning trading session of today, we could see that the Nifty 50. So let's shift to a 5-minute time frame. So we could see that the Nifty 50 immediately opened below the 11,500 mark and then tried to cross the 11,500 mark. Okay, however, it was unable. After cross, it was unable to sustain at that particular level, and then it again dropped down to 11,480. It tested this particular 11,510 level for 3 times and finally it gave away, and we had almost a 200 uh, point drop, okay, in the Nifty 50 and an overall drop of almost 250 points in the whole day. Okay, so so now what is the next that could come in the Nifty 50? So over here we need to have a bigger look at how the Nifty 50 has been performing, okay, since the coronavirus fall. So now, since if we look from the 1 week time frame chart, okay, so over here if we look at this particular successful run for the Nifty 50, and then we try to chart the Fibonacci levels over here, then we can see that this particular level, that is the 0.23 retracement level of the Fibonacci, is perfectly matching with the 10,000 and for 742 levels. Okay, now over here the important level for the Nifty 50 is going to be this particular zone, that is the 11,000, from 11,200 to 11,000. Okay, if this particular level is broken in the Nifty 50, then the next level is going to be the 10,773. Now this particular fall is going to be a very big will do a very big damage to the investors, but I think it will be another happy session for a trader, okay, as he will be looking for some uh, movement in this particular market. So now let's go back to the daily time frame. So now over here we can see the Nifty 50 is back in its trading zone, and it is now again trading in the trading zone of 11,200 to 11,000 580. And now in the tomorrow session it will be important to see whether the Nifty 50 is able to sustain over this particular level of 11,180 to 11,200. Now another bad news for the Nifty 50 is, as you can see, this level, that is at 11,180, and this level, that is at 11,250, or you can take the lower low of the today's candle, that is around 11,200. Okay, so the today's low was around 11,218. Okay, but however, if you see in the RSI, the respective RSI over here is 48 and this is around 43. So even though these levels are high, this level is higher than this level, but still you can see an RSI lower level. So it seems that this particular fall is going to continue, and we could see the Nifty 50 touching the 11,063 level okay, in the coming few days. So let's hope that doesn't happen, okay, and Nifty 50 continues its bull run, but more technicals are there to speak, and we obviously cannot rely on a positive notion. Okay, so thank you for today, and let's see what happens in the tomorrow's session. Now if you like the technical analysis, please like the channel and share the channel if you like. Yeah, thank you for today, and see you all tomorrow.